Welcome back to Fab Automotive Detailing. You guys, in this video, as you see, I'm in the DIY Detail Studio in Omaha, Nebraska. We drove all the way here from Indiana. We have bugs all over the front of this. And I asked Yvan, show me your method. Show me how you clean bugs off the front of the vehicles. And we're going to do that right after this. So let's do it. All right, you guys, so this is Yvan from DIY Detail, and I asked him to help make this video to show me how he would remove all of these bugs. I assumed he had a dedicated bug cleaner, that type of thing, and you don't, right?
No, we use all clean. So our all-purpose cleaner diluted 15:1.
Okay.
I like to foam it on. Okay. You can spray it on as well, but foaming does just a little better job.
Okay.
So,
and it's a safe, effective way to do this.
Very safe. Your car is coated, makes it even easier.
Okay.
But it's safe on the coating as well.
Okay, and because we have tons of bugs on the front of this car, so this is what's going to be very interesting to me. So let's see how Yvan does this.
So we're simply going to apply the all clean, foam it on.
And then what kind of dwell time? I mean, we're going to let it dwell for a certain amount of time?
Yeah, we're going to let it dwell for a minute or two. And you'll start to see the bugs starting to.
Yeah, so I'm actually seeing right here, and you're actually seeing it's turning brown. The foam's turning brown as it's coming down off of the bugs. As you guys see, it's turning brown. It's kind of eating away at it, I guess, right?
Yeah.
It's kind of going to help us. It's releasing it. It's helping it release off the paint.
I have to make sure the Mrs. Fab
yes, you guys
is clean.
The Mrs. Fab plate definitely needs to be clean.
Yeah.
But the breakdown process happens almost immediate.
Yeah,
from what I'm seeing.
Yeah.
Yeah. And a 15:1, that's great. That's a great dilution ratio. Not using a ton of product.
No, you're not using a lot of product.
And it's safe for any surface, right?
Safe for any surface. It's also not an APC that takes your breath away.
Right. Yeah. I actually don't even really smell it at all when you foamed it on there. And it foams really well. And you don't have to have a foaming sprayer like that, obviously. You can foam it out of an IK foamer.
Or you can just spray it on as well.
Or you just spray it on also out of a spray bottle
when
you do it.
The foaming gives you a few small advantages. One of them is every time a bubble bursts, it's putting new product on the surface.
Okay. I've never even heard that before.
Yeah,
that's actually pretty amazing.
So it's cleaning.
Okay.
You know, back in the 70s, they had the scrubbing bubbles commercials.
Yeah.
That wasn't just a marketing gimmick, that's true.
Okay. So, yeah. We are in a controlled environment. If somebody's doing this outside, mobile detail or just outside their garage and they are in sun, should they let it dwell as long?
Rinse it off before it dries.
Okay, so do not let it dry on the surface.
Yes. And then from there, we take our pressure washer.
Okay.
And that should get rid of just about all of it.
Okay.
So if you look on the headlights.
The headlights are turning brown.
Yeah.
Where these bugs are. If you come on in here and see, right in this headlight, look, there's brown lines. That's where it's breaking all of the bugs down. And just releasing it for us. It's actually doing more work than we're having to do.
Yeah. We shouldn't have to scrub it.
Okay.
If we can, we have it. If we have to, we have the tools here, but this should be all we need.
Okay.
And this is 900 PSI. It's not a 3000 PSI pressure washer.
Right. These bugs have been baking in for the last couple days since we've been here. Wow. It's getting rid of 95% of what I'm seeing right now. Easily. Paying extra close attention to Mrs. Fab's plate. Okay, so now that the rinse process is done, 95% actually. Looking at it, I don't even know if I see, there's a couple here and there, nothing major. But you have some left over. What's your next step? Refoam it or?
Nope.
Okay.
Just the rinseless wash.
Just the rinseless wash?
Yeah.
Okay. And a brush.
Rinseless wash and the sponge or a brush. It's up to you.
And you're really, how much pressure are you applying?
At least 2 ounces. Enough to keep the sponge touching the paint.
Okay, so you're really not applying it. You're more or less guiding it.
Yeah.
That was super simple. Because I've had to remove bugs on cars before, and it's not that easy.
No.
Not even close. And so many companies have these dedicated you have a million products on your shelf.
Yeah.
And All Clean kind of takes away, it gives you more shelf space. Because
More
now you just have one
space.
bottle.
Yeah. And if you're a mobile detailer, it's saving a lot of time and a lot of space in your van as well.
Okay.
So now they're all gone. If we wanted to, we could use a brush. So we have a flag tip nylon brush.
Okay.
That really freaks people out. When they see this, they're going, it's going to destroy my paint. Here, I'll go on a 45-degree angle for a couple times, and then we'll see, once we dry this off, if you have a 45-degree scratches there.
Okay.
Because you just recently polished this.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
I'm not freaking out because I trust them.
Yeah.
But yes, I did. This is, yeah. So next step, just dry.
Yeah.
Normally at this stage, you guys, we're going to wash the car. But
Yeah.
right now, this video is we're just doing the bugs. That's why we're going to go
And we
dry
have
like
washed
we
it with the
are.
rinseless wash.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
now it's ready to dry.
Yep. So basically, we're going to go and we're just going to dry it. Nothing. I don't see any bugs. It's quick. It was simple. Anything to make the job faster
Yeah.
is a bonus.
Faster, easier, and safer.
Yeah.
Don't forget to hit that license plate.
Yeah, I'll probably get in trouble if I don't.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's water inside. That's okay, though. If you can come in and show this bumper now versus before, there's a huge difference in this bumper. And it was just basically from foaming and rinsing that did almost all of the work that we needed to have done for us. So our drive from just outside Indianapolis to Omaha was 650 miles one way. So we picked up a lot of bugs on the way there and on the way back. And driving in between cornfields and bean fields constantly in Iowa. So tons of bugs, as you guys can see on the bumper. But the All Clean did an absolutely fabulous job, made the job really easy. I wish I'd have known about this a long time ago. I've always done the old method using a traditional bug cleaner with a bug sponge and just scrub away until all the bugs are gone. All Clean took care of all that, made the job easy and absolutely effortless. Ivan's getting a light so we can put it on the paint so we can check out where he just did all that. Yep, and there's nothing. Of course, this bumper's not in the greatest shape anyways.
No,
But yeah, there's no lines going this way.
No, not at all.
Yep. So the brush is another great alternative. Is
Yep.
that a brush they can buy from DIY Detail?
Yeah.
Okay. So everything that we used in this video, or Ivan used in this video, we will put down in the description of the video so you guys can go and you can check it out. At this point, you could use a drying aid if it's all you have to do was just dry it and go. But that's a great alternative. It's a cheaper way to save you some money. One product's going to do a lot of different cleaning duties for you, not including just bugs. You can clean a lot. What else? What all can you clean with All Clean? Because in case people have never heard of All Clean.
So, bug remover, obviously.
Yep.
All-purpose cleaner, so engine degreaser. You can use it for your wheels, your tires, your wheel wells. You have a nasty stain on the interior, some really heavy grime that the rinseless isn't enough. You can use it there. It's an all-purpose cleaner.
Yep. Does what you need it to do.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, exactly. So yeah, thank you so much for showing me that. That makes my job a lot easier in the future, knowing I can just foam on some All Clean and the majority of it just rinse it off. So I want to say thank you guys so much for watching this video and checking it out. If you got any questions about bug removal or the All Clean, put it down in the description or in the video, put in the comment section, and Ivan, I'm sure, will check it out. He can answer your guys' question there. I'll put it in the description, all the products we use, where you guys can find them. Yeah, that's about it. I want to say thank you guys for watching this video and checking it out. We'll see you in the next one.